long day?
Yeah. I thought I would sleep early tonight.
Do you ever feel tired, but your mind keeps talking?
All the time.
Especially on quiet nights like this. Sometimes I replay my whole day in my head. Every little detail.
I think a lot of people do that. It's normal.
I know. But even small things feel louder at night.
Maybe silence gives our thoughts more space?
That's true. It's like my mind doesn't want to turn off.
You don't have to solve everything tonight, you know? The world can wait until tomorrow.
I needed to hear that. I think I'm finally getting sleepy.
That's good. Get some rest.